Hey guys, this is General Mechanic right here. Got another video want to share with you guys. I know it's been a little while since I uploaded one, and just been a little busy. We got a lot going on out here. Got a couple cars to work on, but this one was a really simple problem, but that can really put you in a bind if you don't know where to go or what to do. So that's why I want to share it with you guys. This one came from an auction, and they said it won't crank. It's not cranking, and so we started checking it. He actually told us when he brought the truck that he was able to jump the starter by putting a screwdriver between the two hot wires, and he cranked and it was running. So they drove it up here, but you couldn't crank it with the key. So you know, we did our diagnosis, checked the relay. The relay it was not getting signal. So you know, when you got no signal or the relay is not clicking every time you turn the key, that means that there's no signal coming from the ignition switch out. So we kept on going, you know, checked all the fuses were good. The starter, it was good because he jumped it. And actually we did the same thing. We tried it to make sure that it was not the starter. So you know, we kept on going, and we came inside the truck and start taking things apart. And as you know, the only thing we can look for would be a wire that is being shorted out or anything that is being cut. And so I was with my test light over here, and all we needed was a 7mm. If you want to know how to take this little thing off, it's got 4 little bolts, 7mm head with a little 1/4-inch drive ratchet and a 7mm socket. It's all you need to take this apart. And so we got under here and started looking everything around, and we didn't see no wires that had been cut or anything like that. And I kept on, you know, turning the key, trying to see if it was gonna crank. And as you see my hand trying to crank it right now, it is not doing anything. Put the truck on neutral, thinking that it was the safety neutral switch. It was not that. And so we kept going and going, and came to find out that this was our problem. If you look really close to this thing right here, this is the main plug for the ignition switch. Somebody had take the plug out, and when I was wiggling these wires and trying to crank the truck cranked. So I looked under there and found out somebody had take this plug loose. So after all, it was a really simple fix. All we had to do is get the plug back in the hole, plug it back in there, turn the key on, and the truck cranked. So we got a running truck, a simple fix that I don't know if it's gonna be if it's gonna be ever your problem, but you know, this was my solution for a not cranking situation on a 2002 Trailblazer with the 4200 engine. And hopefully this can be helpful to somebody. Check your ignition switch plug before you start spending money on it, trying to find any other problems with it. So thank you for watching, guys, and I hopefully, you know, you can leave a thumbs up on this video. If you had any questions, comment below, and I'll be glad to help if I can. So thank you again for watching. Have a blessed day.